Welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic, survivor benefits and the work credits needed to qualify. Many people wonder what survivor benefits are and how their loved ones can receive them. Survivor benefits are payments from Social Security to family members of a worker who has passed away. These benefits can provide crucial financial support during difficult times. But to access them, the worker must have earned a certain number of work credits. In this video, we'll break down what work credits are, how many you need, and who can receive survivor benefits. Let's get started by understanding the basics of work credits. Work credits are the building blocks for Social Security benefits, including survivor benefits. You earn work credits as you work and pay Social Security taxes. In 2024, you get one credit for every $1,640 in earnings, up to a maximum of 4 credits per year. These credits accumulate throughout your working life. The more you work, the more credits you earn. Understanding how these credits work is essential because they determine your eligibility for various Social Security programs, including survivor benefits for your family. Work credits are more than just numbers, they're your ticket to Social Security benefits. Without enough credits, your family may not qualify for survivor benefits if something happens to you. The Social Security Administration uses your total credits to decide if your loved ones can receive financial help. This makes it crucial to keep track of your credits as you work. Next, let's look at how many credits are actually needed for survivor benefits. The number of work credits needed for survivor benefits depends on your age at the time of death. Generally, the younger you are, the fewer credits you need. For most people, the minimum is 6 credits, which equals about 1.5 years of work in the 3 years before death. However, older workers may need more credits. The Social Security Administration has specific rules based on age, so it's important to understand how this works for you and your family. Let's break down how credits are calculated. Each year, you can earn up to 4 credits no matter how much you earn above the threshold. For example, if you earn $6,560 or more in 2024, you'll get the maximum 4 credits for that year. These credits add up over your working life. The Social Security Administration keeps track of your earnings and credits, so you don't have to calculate them yourself. It's a good idea to check your Social Security statement regularly to see how many credits you have. Younger workers have special rules when it comes to survivor benefits. If a worker dies young, their family may still qualify for benefits with fewer credits. For example, if you die before age 24, you may need only 6 credits earned in the 3 years before your death. This rule helps protect families of younger workers who haven't had time to build up a long work history. The Social Security Administration recognizes that life can be unpredictable and aims to provide support in these cases. If a worker dies between ages 24 and 31, the rules change. The requirement is generally to have credit for half the time between age 21 and the age of death. For example, if you die at 29, you need credits for 4 years of work, or 16 credits. This ensures that workers who start their careers early but pass away before retirement age can still provide some protection for their families. Once a worker reaches age 31, the general rule is that 20 credits are needed, earned in the 10 years immediately before death. This means you must have worked at least 5 years in the last decade. These rules ensure that survivor benefits go to families of workers who have been active in the workforce in recent years. The maximum number of credits anyone needs for survivor benefits is 40, which is the same as for retirement benefits. This usually means about 10 years of work. Once you have 40 credits, you're fully insured for Social Security purposes, and your family will be eligible for survivor benefits regardless of when you pass away. Survivor benefits aren't just for spouses. They can also go to children, dependent parents, and sometimes even ex-spouses. Each group has its own eligibility requirements, but the key is that the worker must have earned enough credits. Understanding who qualifies can help families plan for the future and ensure everyone is protected. A surviving spouse can receive benefits if the worker had enough credits. The amount and eligibility depend on the spouse's age and whether they are caring for the worker's child. Widows and widowers can start receiving benefits as early as age 60 or at any age if caring for a child under 16 or disabled. Children under 18 or up to 19 if still in high school can receive survivor benefits. Disabled children can receive benefits at any age if the disability began before age 22. The worker must have earned enough credits for their children to qualify. This support can be vital for families with young children. If a worker's parents depended on them for at least half of their support, those parents may be eligible for survivor benefits. The worker must have earned enough credits, and the parents must meet certain age and dependency requirements. This provision helps older parents who relied on their child for financial support. Ex-spouses may also qualify for survivor benefits if the marriage lasted at least 10 years and the ex-spouse is not remarried before age 60. The worker must have earned enough credits. This rule ensures that long-term former spouses are not left without support. You can check your work credits by creating a My Social Security account online. This account lets you view your earnings history and see how many credits you've earned. It's a good idea to check this regularly to make sure your records are accurate and up to date. To earn more credits, simply continue working and paying Social Security taxes. Each year you work, you can earn up to 4 credits. The more you work, the more credits you accumulate, increasing your family's protection in case something happens to you. If you don't have enough credits, your family may not qualify for survivor benefits. However, there are exceptions for younger workers. As we discussed earlier, it's important to understand your situation and plan accordingly. If you're concerned, consider working longer or seeking advice from a Social Security expert. If a worker becomes disabled before reaching retirement age, different rules may apply. The number of credits needed for disability benefits is usually less than for retirement or survivor benefits, especially for younger workers. This ensures that people who can't work due to disability still have some protection for themselves and their families. Survivor benefits are based on the worker's earnings and the amount they paid into Social Security. The more you earned and the longer you worked, the higher the benefit for your family. The Social Security Administration uses a formula to calculate the benefit amount, taking into account your average lifetime earnings. Applying for survivor benefits is straightforward. You can apply online, by phone, or at your local Social Security office. You'll need documents like the worker's death certificate, Social Security number, and proof of relationship. The process is designed to be as simple as possible during a difficult time. When applying for survivor benefits, you'll need several documents. These include the worker's death certificate, your own Social Security number, proof of relationship, like a marriage or birth certificate, and sometimes proof of age. Having these documents ready can speed up the process and help avoid delays. The time it takes to process a survivor benefits application can vary. In most cases, you'll receive a decision within a few weeks. If additional information is needed, it may take longer. The Social Security Administration works to process claims as quickly as possible to help families in need. If your application for survivor benefits is denied, you have the right to appeal. The denial letter will explain why and how to appeal. It's important to read the letter carefully and provide any additional information requested. Many denials can be overturned with the right documentation. The appeal process for survivor benefits involves several steps. First, you request a reconsideration. If denied again, you can ask for a hearing with an administrative law judge. Further appeals can go to the Appeals Council and even federal court. Each step gives you a chance to present more evidence and explain your case. It's important to keep your Social Security records up to date. Make sure your name, date of birth, and earnings are correct. Mistakes can delay or reduce your benefits. You can update your information online or by contacting the Social Security Administration directly. Planning ahead can help ensure your family is protected, make sure you're earning enough credits, and keep your records up to date. Talk to your loved ones about survivor benefits so they know what to expect and how to apply if needed. A little preparation goes a long way. There are many myths about survivor benefits. Some people think you need a long work history or that only spouses qualify. In reality, the rules are more flexible, especially for younger workers and families with children. Understanding the facts can help you make better decisions for your family's future. A key fact is that young workers are protected by special rules. Even with a short work history, their families can receive survivor benefits. This is designed to help families who lose a breadwinner unexpectedly, providing financial support when it's needed most. Another important fact is that work credits don't expire. Once you earn them, they stay on your record. However, for survivor benefits, some credits must be earned in the years just before death. This ensures that benefits go to families of workers who were recently active in the workforce. Survivor benefits are not automatic. Your family must apply and provide the necessary documentation. It's important to know the process and have documents ready to avoid delays. Being proactive can make a big difference during a difficult time. Survivor benefits can be reduced if the recipient is working and earning above certain limits, or if they receive other government benefits. It's important to understand how your income and other benefits may affect the amount your family receives. In some cases, survivor benefits may be subject to federal income tax, depending on the recipient's total income. It's a good idea to consult a tax professional to understand your specific situation and avoid unexpected tax bills. Survivor benefits can change over time. For example, benefits for children end when they turn 18 or finish high school, and benefits for spouses may change if they remarry. It's important to stay informed about how life changes can affect your benefits. Survivor benefits from Social Security are separate from any life insurance you may have. Both can provide financial support, but they are different programs with different rules. It's important to understand how each works and how they can complement each other. Many people think survivor benefits are only for retirees, but that's not true. These benefits can help families of workers of any age, as long as the worker earned enough credits. This makes survivor benefits an important part of financial planning for everyone. Survivor benefits are portable, meaning your family can receive them even if you move to another state or, in some cases, another country. The Social Security Administration has agreements with many countries to provide benefits abroad, though some restrictions may apply. In some cases, survivor benefits can be combined with other Social Security benefits, like retirement or disability. However, there are rules about how much you can receive from each program. Understanding these rules can help you maximize your family's financial support. Survivor benefits are adjusted for inflation each year. This means the amount your family receives can increase over time to keep up with the cost of living. The Social Security Administration announces these adjustments annually. Children must meet certain requirements to receive survivor benefits, such as age and school attendance. Benefits are not automatic, an application is required, and proof must be provided. This ensures that only eligible children receive support. Survivor benefits can be stopped if the recipient no longer meets eligibility requirements. For example, benefits for a child end when they turn 18 or finish high school, and benefits for a spouse may end if they remarry before age 60. It's important to report any changes to the Social Security Administration. Survivor benefits and retirement benefits are separate programs. Survivor benefits are for family members of a deceased worker, while retirement benefits are for the worker themselves. Both require work credits, but the rules and eligibility differ. Survivor benefits play a crucial role in preventing poverty among families who lose a breadwinner. These benefits provide a financial safety net, helping families maintain stability during a difficult time. That's why understanding and planning for survivor benefits is so important. Survivor benefits are one part of the larger Social Security program. Alongside retirement and disability benefits, they help protect American families from financial hardship. Understanding how survivor benefits fit into the bigger picture can help you make informed decisions about your future. Let's recap what we've learned. Survivor benefits provide crucial support to families after the loss of a loved one. The number of work credits needed depends on age and work history, but special rules protect younger workers. Benefits are available to spouses, children, parents, and sometimes ex-spouses. Keeping your records up to date and planning ahead can help ensure your family is protected. Thank you for joining us as we explored survivor benefits and work credits. Remember, Social Security is there to help protect your family. If you have questions, visit the Social Security Administration's website or speak with a financial advisor. Staying informed and prepared can make all the difference for your loved ones.